Very neat magical souls, welcome back to another video. So I made this little setup, guys. I'm in love with it. I think I'm totally going to use this when I do my elemental guidance for the month tarot card readings. And when I do some rituals, it's just nice because you guys could just see me and I can just do my thing and you guys can see all the magic. So without further ado, I was guided by Goddess Nyx to do this full moon ritual with you guys because there's so many different kind of house cleansings. Everyone knows to walk around your house with sage with the windows open and set your intention to clear the space, but not everything, like when you do rituals and magic, guys, has to be a long, crazy process. So this is going to hopefully be under 30 minutes. So what I have, guys, is something to represent each element of like earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. Whether if you have a candle or a crystal, that would be great. Just something to represent the elements, guys. You could even have like a bowl of water, a bowl of dirt, and then like a candle, and you know, that kind of stuff. And something purple to represent spirit, or like a little angel, a Buddha, an ascended master, an aspect of God. So without further ado, let's get into this video, guys. I already got my cleansing incense burning. I got frankincense and myrrh to bring in that holy energy. I got an incense burning over here that's Nanga Champa. I got holy water. I bless my space, and we're working with our cleansing crystals too, guys. If you want to amplify your intention and energy, I recommend working with some selenite. Beautiful self-cleansing crystal, perfect for tapping into that full moon energy. And I also have some black kyanite behind each of the crystals representing the elements, as well as a super 7 behind this one. So all those cleansing crystals to help amplify the cleansing energy. Also tourmaline and citrine is good to use too, guys, but whatever you guys got, make it work. It's all about your intention. So without further ado, let's cast a protective circle and then channel each element to cleanse our home and space. So let's grab our little wand. In this time and space, I call upon the power of the full moon and this beautiful night. Let your magic intertwine in my wand, so mote it be. And I'm gonna just draw a little circle around me. Now, elemental force of earth, I call to thee, enter my circle, encompass your cleansing properties within my space. Blessed be. Elemental force of air, you that is ever shifting and changing, bring forth the many blessings from the angel's wings into my space, so mote it be. Elemental force of fire, bring forth to me Archangel Michael's beautiful blue flames, as well as the heavenly fire to enter my circle, so mote it be. Elemental force of water, bring forth to me Goddess Nyx's holy water, down from the sacred groves of our heavens, let it enter my circle, blessed be. And elemental force of spirit, Goddess Nyx, God, all ascended masters, please enter my circle and enhance my magic and power. Archangel Michael, Archangel Uriel, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Raphael, Archangel Metron, please stand in for your corresponding elements. My circle is cast, let it be done, and so mote it be. No negative energy or evil can intertrace my circle. Only God and all the ascended masters and aspects of him are allowed within my circle, blessed be. So now that our circle is cast, guys, we've got all our protection, so it's time to work with each element. And I was channeling, like being influenced with like Goddess Nyx, tuning into her, and she was like just giving me the spells, hearing it in my head, and I was writing it down. So this is called the Full Moon Goddess Nyx Elemental Blessing. So let's start off with the element of earth. So you guys just want to call upon the element of earth and tune into that energy. Element of earth, enter my home and its surroundings. May the cleansing properties of you come forth and work your everlasting magic to clear my space and foundation of all impurities and all forms, sights, and sounds. Elemental force of air, sacred sight unseen, mystery of the night, lights in Goddess Nyx's eyes, bring forth your sacred winds and alter my space to her loving eyes. Fiery night sky, summer moon, I call unto you, unleash your sacred power, burn away all energy not within my right to live a life in Goddess Nyx's light. Watery eyes, from Nyx to full moon, pour your healing love upon my own sacred temple. May your many gifts of blessings manifest into my entire embodiment in this plane and space. Spirit, purple light above so high, you to which all sights may be seen, reconnecting me to all magic and creativity. May your sacred right bless my space to be in complete serenity in the name of Goddess Nyx. By the full moon's light it is done, so mote it be. So it's all about tuning into the elements, guys. While you say each one, you can imagine the color of that element just igniting, just feeling that element around you and letting it do its thing. I'm going to seal this off with a triple moon goddess symbol in the air. So by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, my intention is set in stone. As it is my will, let it be done, so mote it be. And just imagine all that negative energy just like going away, leaving your home. I forgot to tell you guys, but when you do this cleansing ritual, you want to have some of your windows open so that the negative energy can leave when you do this, and you can command it to leave out through your window deep within Mother Earth to be reborn to positive healing light. Or you can open portals to like invoke Archangel Michael's blue flame so negative energy leaves that. If you can't open your window, or even if you open your window, I like creating different ways for the bad stuff to go away too. But you can also just be vanquishing it with each element, just totally making it go poof with the elements. So this was a pretty short ritual, guys. It's nothing too in-depth. It's all about like your intention. So while you do each one, I kind of set it a little fast. You can just take your time after reading it and then just imagine element of earth and like Earth Mother Gia like doing its thing, helping you clear that one layer with that element, then the next element, and this one, and this one, and that one. And it's kind of cool because when evil stuff does attack me and things, guys, there's different layers that it like goes through to like attack me and like multiple punches. So you're clearing it like 5 times pretty much, guys. You're like almost cleansing your house 5 times. And if you want, you can go ahead and when you work with each element, like also like put a little bit like throughout your home. Maybe for the element of earth, you can put a couple bay leaves around your home. And then for the element of air, you can use like some holy water because it's going in the air. Or maybe you can use a feather to move that stagnant energy around. Then for the element of fire, you can walk around with your candle a little bit, or your incense because it represents like air and fire. And then for water, you can use the holy water. And for spirit, you can hold a purple crystal, hold a little ascended master with you, and just imagine your space being cleansed. Or you can pray around your space and say the house cleansing prayer too if you want to do an extra layer of prayer protection. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope I inspired you to cleanse your space, and I'm going to open my circle right now. Thank you, elemental force of earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. I open my circle in this time and space. Thank you to Goddess Nyx, God, and all the Ascended Masters. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for helping me work my magic. Blessed be. And yeah, that was really fun, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this little cleansing ritual. And without further ado, by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys be blessed with the elements and rejuvenated in her holy light. And may this beautiful full moon bring upon us the abundance of blessings, peace, prosperity, happiness, and just a lot of peace with this Mercury retrograde going on. May we see clearly. May that Mercury retrograde energy dim its light and be like tuned to nothing. May we just have a lot of fun and enjoy the rest of what summer's gonna bring to us until the fall weather comes, all the witchy time. And yeah, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below, and until next time, I'll see you then. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. I call to thee, pure witch's fire, through vortex flow the heavenly mire, cleanse blackish aura of the breeze, from dark to light sweep history. 7 chakras clear and bright, cleanse the soul and feed the light. In the name of the divine, I am aligned. I detach and discard all energies not of my making. I release all energies contrary to my greatest potential. I clear, cleanse, and transmute them to purify constructive and helpful forms for the greatest good of all. I fill myself with the gifts of joy, love, peace, and prosperity as a reflection of the divine. May it be as above, so below, as below, so above, so mote it be. Deep within myself from the beginning of my time, I invoke the balance of harmony to now align every part of my essence from soul to vessel to all of my entirety. Every part of me, wherever I may be, I wash you with divine love and God's golden light. I reignite my soul to the beginning of my creation. I am now healed and realigned. My soul at peace, and now my mind at ease. God, thank you, and now may I walk on my highest path in alignment with my soul mission to complete another chapter in your love always. Blessed be.